Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a GMC Sierra front bumper. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a trim removal tool. Next, disconnect any fog lights or other electrical connections attached to the bumper assembly. Always ensure your truck is safely supported on a level surface before beginning any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process, preventing unexpected issues. Now, let's start detaching the components. Begin by removing the plastic trim pieces and any screws securing the fender liners near the bumper. Use the appropriate socket to unbolt the main bumper assembly from its mounting brackets, typically located on the frame. Once all fasteners are removed, carefully pull the bumper straight away from the vehicle, ensuring no wires or hoses are still connected. For the final steps, double-check for any remaining clips or hidden fasteners that might still be holding the bumper. It's highly recommended to have a helper assist you, as the front bumper can be quite heavy and awkward to manage alone. Once completely free, carefully set the bumper aside in a safe location to prevent any scratches or damage while you work on other parts of your Sierra. When you're ready to reinstall your front bumper, simply reverse the steps we just covered. Make sure all electrical connections for fog lights and sensors are securely reattached before fully bolting the bumper back into place. Double-check all fasteners for proper torque. And hey, while you're working on your truck, why not treat yourself to a fresh scent? Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.